How to start a Whisper on your Twitch application or your Twitch account. Hola everyone, wherever you are. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this in a correct way. Just watch and follow this video till the end. So let's gonna start. First, you need to go and open your Twitch. After that, you should come directly here on your following page. Skip here and go directly here. Click on it. And what's next? Come and click start a Whisper. And here, for example, you will add the name, for example, this person. And that's it, guys. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video.